Hey, thank you so much for checking out my profile. Allow to me few things about myself. Track anything on your website from a conversion tracking expert. I am fully committed to providing quality work to my client. Client satisfaction is my first priority. Hey, welcome here. My name is Nazmul. I'm web analytics and conversion tracking expert. I'm specialized on tracking and analyzing user behavior on website to enhance marketing, remarketing, and accurately add conversion. I have extensive knowledge with Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics for Facebook conversion, and server-side tracking. E-commerce standards events like page view, view content, add to cart, checkout, and purchase with dynamic value tracking. Google Ads conversion tracking and remarketing text setup, TikTok Pixel, Snapchat Pixel, LinkedIn Pixel, and Looker Studio dashboard creation. I ensure data insight to optimize your ad campaign. Trust me to deliver your result you need for success. So, if you need any help from me, I'm always ready to help you. If are you confused, let's make a short live meeting for discuss more about your project. So don't hesitate to knock me. I'm very friendly. Inbox now. Thank you.